Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to share with you how you can change your language on Instagram. Okay, so there is a couple of language you can try in your on Instagram. So how can you change this? Just follow my step, then you'll learn. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Click on this, and after that here you can see the option. This one I'll show you. Here bottom part, click on this, and after that here you can see the option, the three dot line right top corner. Click on this, and then you will get the pop-up background from bottom side, and the first one here you can see the settings option. Instagram brought some option, so you have to update it your Instagram account first. Okay, then click settings, and here you can see the option accounts. This one, click accounts, and here you can see the option language. So Instagram is default English, so you can find a couple of options regarding you can select on your own country, but not all of the world language is included here. Some of them, the most okay, here you can see some of them, so you can select in your own area or what language you know better, then you should choose that one. So I just keep this one, and after that it's all okay. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.